Okay, hi everyone. This is kind of a mini project, and it is going to be a simple yet complicated in some ways mailing list. And the way this mailing list is going to work is I'm going to be working from a MySQL database using the PHP MyAdmin. I'm going to be creating another table on my PHP Academy database, and this is basically going to hold a user's name and their email address. I'm creating a connect page to connect to my database, and I'm going to have a sort of an interface page as index.php. And what this page will do is it'll allow me to select who I want to send this sort of generic email to, and then we are going to be sending this email through the process page, which is going to process every single email address and send an individual email to each person. It's going to have like to and the person's name, and then the message you specify, and then at the bottom you can say like from, I'm going to say from PHP Academy. So it's quite a useful script, and what it doesn't do is it doesn't combine email addresses, because the last thing you want when you're sending out a mailing list is to include like comma separation in the to line of your email. You don't want to send it to a lot of people but everyone see each other's email addresses. It's you know, you have to give people some privacy. So we're going to be connecting. We're going to be we'll have an interface to send the email and select who we want it sent to, or we can choose to send it to everyone. And we're going to have a process page that's going to send each individual email individually to each person with our message, and that's about it. So you can follow this project. It's going to be very, very small, but to prepare, I'd say create these 3 files. And if you haven't already watched my simple send an email tutorial, I suggest you watch that first, because I'm not going to be explaining too much about the mail function or why I'm setting up certain lines on my php.ini file. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go watch my my simple mail send tutorial, and then come back to this, and you'll be right on track to create a really useful mailing list. Okay, so I will see you guys in the first part of the tutorial, well, the second part of the tutorial, but the start of the tutorial in 2 secs. Okay, see you in a bit. Bye bye.